Hey guys, Kyle Black, J.Racenstein. Here I'm wearing the ProTool harness. I want to talk a little bit about cleaning and maintaining this harness for proper use. So to clean this, if we get a little bit dirty, we can go ahead and use a mild detergent and wipe along the straps, polyester. And we can also use a dry cloth to wipe the metal D-rings on all 4 attachment points to remove those of dirt or any grease. You don't want to saturate this with water, and you don't want to use too heavy of a degreaser or a chemical on it. You don't want to break down any polyester. So those are tips on cleaning. Now for maintaining this, we want to make sure we store this in a spot that is out of direct sunlight, out of excessive heat, out of areas where there might be heavy grease or any chemicals like that. You don't want to have anything breaking down the structural integrity of the polyester material, or causing perhaps any rust or anything on the metal attachment points. You don't want anything breaking down there. You're also going to want to make sure you store this separately from any harnesses you've taken out of the field, out of service. So we have those load indicators on the back, right about here. If any of those have been pulled out and you see the stop, or if you've taken any harnesses out of use because you see any breakdown in any of the webbing or in your inspection process, you see something you don't like, you want to make sure you store those separately from the harnesses that are in service. So we recommend putting this basically in a bin. Doesn't have to be airtight, but just a plastic bin or metal bin of your choice. Go ahead and store that inside, out of direct sunlight. If you do live in areas where the temperature might be really high, especially in the summers, make sure you put it in inside where the temperature is more controlled versus perhaps maybe a shed or a vehicle or a garage where the temperatures might not be as controlled. So those were cleaning and maintenance tips for the ProTool harness. Let's go ahead and check out the inspection tips in another video.